How to fix Reddit server error. The Reddit server error usually shows up as a 503, 504 or a plain sorry we could not load post message. This typically means Reddit servers are having trouble or your device is not able to connect properly. So here are the quick fixes you can try. Step 1 is to check Reddit server status. Go to redditstatus.com to see. Now go to Google, tap onto the search bar and type redditstatus.com just like this and search for it. If it's a site-wide issue, you just need to wait it out. Step 2 is to refresh or restart the app. Now force close the Reddit app just like this, remove this and reopen it, or refresh your browser if you are using the web version. Step 3 is to switch your network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes network issues can cause server connection problems. And the final step is use a different device or a browser. If Reddit works elsewhere, it's likely a local issue with your device or a browser. If none of those work, try using Reddit through a third-party client like Boost or Apollo, or wait a few minutes. Reddit may be just temporarily overloaded. And that's it. Hopefully one of these quick fixes helped you solve the Reddit server error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.